Hello friends, today we are discussing about anatomy and physiology, important 30 questions and answer. Page 5. First question. Which of the following separates the stomach from the duodenum? Bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, pyloric sphincter, ileocecal valve. And correct answer is option C, pyloric sphincter. Next question. What is meaning of hemopoiesis? Process of blood clotting, process of production of blood cells, the vestibular apparatus, intercellular fluid from the cells to the bloodstream. And correct answer is option B, process of production of blood cells. Next question. Which of the following requires stem cell or bone marrow transplants? Pancreatic cancer, lymphoma, kidney stone, strabismus. And correct answer is option B, lymphoma. Next question. Which of the following is important to detect early breast cancer? X-ray, PET scan, MRI, both PET scan and MRI. And correct answer is option A, X-ray. Next question. The function of the lymphatic capillaries is to carry oxygen from blood, collect lymph fluid from the tissues, formation of antibodies in the blood, none of them. And correct answer is option B, collect lymph fluid from the tissues. Next question. What is the function of prostate gland? Secrete progesterone, secrete lubricant for spermatozoa, decreases the risk of developing uterine cancer, secrete adrenaline hormone. And correct answer is option B, secrete lubricant for spermatozoa. Next question. Largest part of the brain is cerebellum, diencephalon, cerebrum, pons. And correct answer is option C, cerebrum. Next question. What is blood normal pH range in human body? 4.15 to 5.65, 5.65 to 6.25, 7.35 to 7.45, 8.65 to 9.85. And correct answer is option C, 7.35 to 7.45. Next question. Which of the following is protein factory in human body? Chromosome, ribosome, DNA, none of these. And correct answer is option B, ribosome. Next question. Red blood cells lifespan in an adult human is 10 days, 60 days, 100 days, 120 days. And correct answer is option D, 120 days. Next question. Largest cavity in human body is dorsal, pelvic, abdominal, thoracic. And correct answer is option C, abdominal cavity. Next question. What is the name of smallest vein in the body? Venules, inferior vena cava, foramen magnum, sciatic. And correct answer is option A, venules. Next question. Oldest part of the cerebellum is monoiodothyrosin, acetylcholine, archicerebellum, thyroxine. And correct answer is option C, archicerebellum. Next question. Length of external auditory canal is about 2 cm, about 6 cm, about 4 cm, about 8 cm. And correct answer is option C, about 4 cm. Next question. What is the average length of the spinal cord in adult human? Option A, around 45 cm, around 30 cm, around 65 cm, around 80 cm. And correct answer is option A, around 45 cm. Next question. Which of the following is not part of the appendicular skeleton? Scapula, clavicle, radius, zygomatic. And correct answer is option D, zygomatic. Next question. What type of joint is the hip joint or coxal joint? Ellipsoidal joint, hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint. And correct answer is option C, ball and socket joint. Next question. What happens during systole? Muscles that assist a prime mover, heart contracts to pump blood out, heart muscle relaxes after contraction, peripheral beginning of a sensory neuron's dendrites. And correct answer is option B, heart contracts to pump blood out. Next question. What is the most rigid type of connective tissue found in the human? Metaphyseal and diaphysis, cancellous and bone plates, periosteum and endosteum, bone and cartilage. And correct answer is option D, bone and cartilage. Next question. Erythrocytes are destroyed in gallbladder, pancreas, liver, intestine. And correct answer is option C, liver. Next question. Which of the following is called shin bone? Fibula, ulna, tibia, lunate. And correct answer is option C, tibia. Next question. What is the peristalsis? Repeated movement propels food through the digestive tract. First exposure to an antigen. Large duct that drains lymph. None of them. And correct answer is option A, repeated movement propels food through the digestive tract. Next question. What is dysphagia? Dorsiflexion of foot, increase in the production of urine, difficulties in swallowing, another name of water channel. And correct answer is option C, difficulties in swallowing. Next question. A total spinal nerve in the body is 31 pairs, 23 pairs, 46 pairs, 17 pairs. And correct answer is option A, 31 pairs. Next question. The capacity of the stomach to contain how much fluid in an adult? 6 liter or 6000 ml, 1.5 liter or 1500 ml, 1 liter or 1000 ml, 5 liter or 5000 ml. And correct answer is option B, 1.5 liter or 1500 ml. Next question. Which of the following is primary lymphoid organ in human being? Thymus, mesentery, uterus, fauces. And correct answer is option A, thymus. Next question. The shaft of a long bone is called diaphysis, epiphysis, endosteum, metaphysis. And correct answer is option A, diaphysis. Next question. In human body, where does vocal folds are located? Pharynx, lip, larynx, gingiva. And correct answer is option C, larynx. Next question. In human body, which one of the glands secretes the growth hormone somatotropin? Pancreas, pituitary, adrenal, thyroid. And correct answer is option B, pituitary. Next question. Three of the following vessels carry deoxygenated blood. Which one does not? Portal vein, pulmonary artery, coronary vein, pulmonary vein. And correct answer is option D, pulmonary vein.